So guys, that was Cars and Coffee at Hilltop. I know we ended the video, but I've got a little bit of a bonus here for you guys. So we're going to go into the shed now and we're going to see what our friend John's building. We'll flip you around and we'll go and have a quick look. So that's an Austin Devon pickup, which is going to be the same sort of style as this Austin Devon hot rod. So he drag races this. Used to drag race it at Shakespeare, but it's in for a rebuild at the moment. It's got 4.6 over V8 in it.